Hello. Today, thank you so much for joining me. And I have a flip through of this little journal that I've made. I have similar ones, 5 of them, and this is the one that I've put the ephemera in, and I've tied it closed. And I'll show you the other ones as well. We'll put the ephemera in together in the other ones. This one I'm just flipping through, as this one has the ephemera already in it. So it's a very cute little journal with some lace details that I've done, some layering, and the prints are from my Poach prints, and I've used a lot of stuff that I from my supplies bundle that I have available now on my Etsy shop. So here we go. Inside we have a big pocket and some goodies inside. And this card, I've done some detailing with the stitching and this nice little applique that I've cut out myself. This is the printout. It came with the kit, and I've printed it out on shiny paper, not on gloss paper. Yes, that's what I mean. But this is a kind of file folder. Just had an idea. I think I'm going to put some pockets here. Just had this idea. I'll just do it later on. These are the beautiful prints. I think, yes, these are my Poach prints. And I got some. These are very cute pockets like this, and this is the vintage card that I have, invitation coming from the ivory invitation cards, and these are the blank invitation cards that I have. Here's another text spot, very cute printables, and this is yellow dyed paper, and I put some tabs. Done some decoration here in these cards on these tags. It's really cute. These pockets come with the printables, the print. I don't know which one this is, by my Poach prints. Beautifully dyed paper. I love this color. It's not. Yes, it is yellow. You can see, I don't know if it's coming green in the video. It's yellow. It's really nice, bright yellow. Some old ledger paper. So little envelope type pocket I've made here with this card inside. So these come with the printable kit, very cute, and I've backed them up with butter paper, brown butter paper, so that it's making this nice noise. So crinkly, these are crinkly envelopes, and I don't know. So I've made a mistake here. Look what I've done. Oh no. So I'll have to print out probably. No, I don't think I'll have to print out another one. I'll just fix this with glue like this. So luckily, oh, good thing. So when you're doing this stuff, you do make some mistakes, but this is full of imperfections anyways. So this is not something which is absolutely perfect. This is some old ledger paper sent to me by somebody in the US. And this is the pocket, like this. Here, this is old vintage music paper. We don't get these here in my country, or at least I can't find them in the old bookshops. I haven't looked enough, I guess, but somebody sent these to me from the US. Okay, these are some little cards. No, these are tags which come with the printables. This is not just one printable kit. I've used like 2 or 3 of them. I don't remember. This is a long time ago I made these, so I don't remember exactly which kits they were. An envelope I've attached here, and I've stenciled on this envelope like this over here, and this is a tea-dyed envelope and it looks really cute with gesso. I've stenciled it with gesso. And have I made the same mistake here? No, I think the paper is like this. No, I have actually. I don't know why I've made. Okay, now this is going to be a tough one. So the easiest way to get through this is I'll just split this into, yeah, that's the easiest way to, yeah, I'll just split this from here. I'll just cut it off, and then, well, okay, next time I'll be careful when I'm doing these tabs. This is another really very cute envelope, crinkly envelope. Oh, and I love this bow. The printables are very cute. The very cute printables. I think these are, I just don't remember. Maybe and have some really nice detailing with some cards and laces and trims. So these two I've left empty, these 2 pockets, because it's quite bulky. It's quite bulky. This little journal. See. So I'll come back again with the other 4, and I'll show those to you, and I'll also fill them up with the ephemera. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye, see you soon.